Senator Tammy Baldwin held a roundtable today at Access Community Health Centers to talk with patients and providers about high inhaler prices. This comes after the senator launched an investigation on January 8th into 4 major inhaler manufacturers and called on them to stop improperly listing patents. Her goal to create fair competition and allow lower-priced generic inhalers on the market. Baldwin says the roundtable helped her better understand what Wisconsinites need.
When you get a new product, that's great. It's competition. It helps drive prices down. But you want to be able to make sure that patients can access the new products. And so the insurance companies need to provide coverage.
This is one effort in her larger goal of making health care more accessible for Wisconsinites. Governor Tony